Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started. In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best TIG welder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best TIG welder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is WeldPro Digital TIG 200GD TIG/stick welder. If you're looking for a powerful yet affordable AC/DC TIG welder for aluminum and steel, this is one of the best options in its class. The WeldPro Digital TIG 200GD is a feature-rich AC/DC TIG welder that delivers exceptional performance at an affordable price. With pulse functionality, a high-quality CK worldwide torch, and dual voltage capability, it is a great investment for anyone serious about TIG welding. While it lacks MIG welding capability, it excels in TIG and stick applications, offering smooth arc performance, precision control, and reliable output. WeldPro Digital TIG 200GD is a 200 amp AC/DC welder, making it suitable for both ferrous and non-ferrous metals, AC TIG welding. Essential for aluminum welding, the machine provides stable arc performance and excellent penetration. DC TIG welding, ideal for mild steel, stainless steel, copper, and other metals, producing clean and precise welds. Stick welding, SMAW. While primarily a TIG welder, it includes stick welding capability for added versatility, allowing users to weld thicker materials and work outdoors. One of its best features is the pulse function, which allows users to control heat input effectively. This is especially useful for thin materials where excessive heat can cause warping or burn through. The dual voltage capability, 110 volts, 220 volts, makes it portable and adaptable to different work environments, whether in a home garage or a professional workshop. While it lacks MIG welding capability, it excels in TIG and stick applications, offering smooth arc performance, precision control, and reliable output. Our second best TIG welder is Forni 271 Easy Weld 140 MP multi-process welder. Whether you're a beginner, DIY enthusiast, or light-duty professional, this machine provides flexibility, ease of use, and solid performance in a compact and portable package. The Forni 271 Easy Weld 140 MP is built with durability and portability in mind. Weighing around 25 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for mobile welding jobs. The intuitive control panel features a simple knob system to adjust settings easily, making it user-friendly for beginners while still offering enough control for experienced welders. The all-metal casing adds durability, ensuring the machine can withstand workshop and garage environments. Additionally, the quick change drive roll system makes switching between welding processes fast and hassle-free, further adding to its ease of use. The Forni 271 Easy Weld 140 MP is a multi-process welder that allows users to switch between MIG, TIG, and stick welding, offering plenty of options for different materials and projects. MIG welding works with both gas and flux core wire, making it great for sheet metal work, automotive repairs, and general fabrication. DC TIG welding, capable of precise, clean welds on steel and stainless steel. TIG torch sold separately. Note: no AC TIG support for aluminum. Stick welding, ideal for outdoor welding and thicker materials, providing deep penetration and strong welds. With 140 amp output, this machine can weld up to 1/4 inch thick steel, making it suitable for light to medium duty applications. It runs on 120 volt power, meaning it can be plugged into standard household outlets without requiring a high voltage connection. Let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Eastwood 200 amp DC TIG Welder. If you're looking for an affordable, high-quality TIG welder with stick welding capability, this is one of the best options in its class. 200 amp DC TIG Welder welds mild steel and stainless steel with precision. Dual voltage, 110 volts, 240 volts. Works with both standard home outlets and industrial power. Smooth arc and high-frequency start. Provides better arc stability and control. Stick welding capability. Adds versatility for heavier materials or outdoor welding. Precision. Amperage control. Ideal for thin and thick materials. Durable metal casing. Protects the unit for long-term reliability. NEMA 6-50R plug. Compatible with standard welding power outlets. The Eastwood 200 amp DC TIG Welder is designed for precise, high-quality welds on steel and stainless steel. Its smooth arc performance and fine amperage control make it great for thin sheet metal as well as thicker steel plates. TIG welding, DC only. Ideal for mild steel and stainless steel, ensuring clean and strong welds. Stick welding capability. Allows for welding thicker materials or outdoor applications, making it more versatile. Dual voltage, 110 volts, 240 volts. Can be used on standard household power, 110 volts for light work or 240 volts for full 200 amp output when more power is needed. With a maximum 200 amp output, this welder can handle up to 1/4 inch thick steel in a single pass, making it suitable for a wide range of welding jobs. The precise amperage control allows for low amp starts, making it great for thin materials without risk of burn through. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Yes Welder 135 amp MIG TIG Welder. The Yes Welder Flux 135 Pro is built for portability and convenience. Weighing only 10 pounds, it is one of the lightest welders in its class, making it easy to transport and store. The large LED digital display is a standout feature, providing clear and precise readings of voltage and amperage settings. This makes it especially user-friendly for beginners, as adjustments can be made with better accuracy. The machine also includes synergic control, which automatically adjusts the wire speed and voltage based on the selected settings, reducing the learning curve for new welders. In-one multi-process welder, supports flux core MIG, lift TIG and stick welding, 135A output power, welds up to 1/8 inch steel, 110V input power, runs on standard household outlets, large LED digital display, provides clear and precise settings, synergic control system, adjusts settings automatically for easier operation. IGBT inverter technology ensures efficient power use and stable arc performance. Compact and ultra lightweight, 10 pounds. Perfect for on-the-go welding. Affordable and beginner-friendly. Great for DIY projects, home repairs, and hobbyists. While it lacks AC TIG for aluminum welding and may not be suitable for heavy-duty industrial use, it is a solid and reliable welder for light-duty applications. If you need a compact and affordable multi-process welder, the Yes Welder 135 amp Flux 135 Pro is an excellent choice. With its 3-in-1 functionality, digital display, and lightweight design, it is a great choice for home welding projects, repairs, and small fabrication work. Last in our best TIG welder list is Lotos TIG 200 AC/DC Aluminum TIG Welder. If you're looking for an affordable AC/DC TIG welder with decent power and versatility, the Lotos TIG 200 AC/DC is a great option. The Lotos TIG 200 AC/DC 200 amp welder is an excellent choice for budget-conscious welders looking for AC/DC TIG and stick welding capabilities. It offers solid performance for aluminum, mild steel, and stainless steel, with dual voltage support and an included foot pedal for better control. While not as refined as high-end professional TIG welders, it delivers great value for DIYers, automotive repair shops, and small fabrication projects. The Lotos TIG 200 AC/DC is solidly built with a durable metal casing, ensuring long-lasting reliability. At 58 pounds, it's not the lightest welder, but it's still manageable for transportation when needed. The control panel is user-friendly, featuring adjustable amperage, AC/DC selection, post-flow settings, and pulse control. The included foot pedal allows for better heat control, making TIG welding more precise and efficient, though some users report that the pedal could be more responsive. The argon regulator is a nice addition, making it easier to set up and get started right away. Whether you need to weld aluminum, mild steel, stainless steel, or other metals, the Lotos TIG 200 AC/DC delivers solid performance for its price. While it lacks some premium features found in high-end TIG welders, it offers great value for DIYers, auto repair shops, and small fabrication projects. A great budget-friendly AC/DC TIG welder for aluminum and steel.